When we see our friend Drew in Florida after our cruises, we spend a few days with him and sightsee. Sometimes it's a little more sightseeing than visiting, and this time it was a little more visiting than sightseeing, but that was fine. It was all good. And one of the places he took us was Manatee Park, which is a power station, but the warm water shelters the manatees. We are at Manatee Park in Florida, and for a change, we actually have manatees here. There seems to be 5 or 6 of them here. You kind of see them poking something up. I don't know what it is. But this is kind of a first for us to actually... Well, there's one raising up back there. Oh, he went back down. Actually, to be able to see the manatees. Well, I think there's more than 6. And it's chilly. And this water is warmed by the power plant. So in the cold weather, it draws the manatees in. And there's one out there. I don't know if you can see him. Because guess what? Of course, it's right into the sun. Let's walk on down the walkway and see if there's anything else. Manatees are floating down here. I know it's not going to be easy to see because of the sun, but they're in the water, floating down. And just for your information, the manatee closest relative is an elephant. Isn't that weird? At the age of 3, they are capable of mating and making new little manatees. It takes them 13 months for the manatee to be formed enough to be delivered. And they do nurse the baby manatees. You can see the ripples in the water. And in some places, things that look like rocks. And those are the manatees.